In this video, we're going to show you how to install the brake light switch on your Nissan Frontier, located up underneath your dashboard, above your brake pedal. Now, up underneath the driver's side of the dashboard, if you follow the brake pedal arm all the way up right here, you're going to locate that brake switch. Now, there's an electrical connector right here. You're just going to press in on the tab on the back side here. You can use a pocket screwdriver and press on that, or just kind of pinch on that. It can be a little bit of a challenge. Pop that connector off. Now this is a set adjustment here. So if you press on the brake pedal, you can see this white button extend here. So it bottoms out right here. You press it a little bit and it comes out, and then you're going to see a gap. So there's going to be a set adjustment on this here. You want to pay attention to this here. I want to go ahead and rotate this switch, turn it counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to pull that out. So you're just bringing the main switch out. Go ahead and take your new component. Going to line this up. I'm going to push that in. So where the brake pedal is relaxed all the way up, this pedal, this switch, needs to be pressed in so it's almost bottomed out. So you want to have a little bit of that switch there. You want to have a little bit of the white portion of that switch exposed. And then once you have that set, you're going to twist that switch clockwise to lock it in to the component or the locking collar here. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to push in. Push in. You have about a 1/16 of that switch exposed, and go ahead and turn and lock this in. Right there. So now we press it on the pedal here. You can see that switch dislodge. With that pedal relaxed, you have a little bit of that white portion of the switch exposed. Grab your electrical connector. Line that up, press it in, you can feel it in here, lock into place. Now at this point, if you want to, you can go ahead and have somebody stand behind the vehicle while you go ahead and test this. Remember, this is adjustable, so for some reason, if you want to set the sensitivity on the switch, go ahead and set it here by turning it counterclockwise, reset it to lock it into place, turn it clockwise to lock it in. At this point here, we're pretty much set on our OE spec, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.